Hello students, chapter 11, Towards a Healthier Life. To stay healthy, we must eat nutritious food, exercise daily, and take precautions against diseases. Many deadly diseases have been brought under control, and because of which medicines, instruments and machines have really helped them. So बहुत सारे diseases को under control किया गया है और अलग तरीके की machines, medicines और facilities के through ये काम हुआ है. अब हम यहाँ पे पढ़ेंगे कौन से medical instruments है जिनसे हमें मदद मिलती है. Thermometer, जिससे कि हम अपना temperature देख सकते हैं. किसने इसको invent किया था? Gabriel Daniel Fahrenheit ने 1714 में. जब बॉडी टेम्परेचर एक पर्टिकुलर लेवल से ज़्यादा ऊपर हो जाता है हम उसको बुखार बोलते हैं. और उसके पहले थर्मोमीटर के इन्वेंशन होने से पहले द डॉक्टर वुड बेसिकली जज द पर्सन्स बॉडी टेम्परेचर बाय टचिंग. बट उसके बाद जब थर्मोमीटर आ गया तो उसको आर्मपिट पे रख के हम किसी भी इंसान का टेम्परेचर चेक कर सकते हैं. देन देयर इज स्टेथोस्कोप, which enables to doctors to hear the heartbeat and breathing clearly and rapidly. Dr. René Laennec once noticed two children sitting at two ends of a long and hollow log of wood, and they were whispering through it. Even the faintest sound could be heard through the log. The doctor was amazed at this. He came back to his clinic and tried an experiment. He rolled up a newspaper and placed one end on one patient's chest and the other end to his ear. To his amazement, he could hear the heartbeat of the patient. This experiment led to the invention of the stethoscope. उसके बाद आता है माइक्रोस्कोप. माइक्रोस्कोप एक ऐसा इंस्ट्रूमेंट है जिसमें बहुत छोटे छोटे भी जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं वो उनमें बड़े दिखाई देते हैं. On it, there is an interesting story about the invention of microscope. In a small shop of spectacles in Holland, the owner of the shop happened to keep just by chance two different lenses, one behind the another. While talking to his consumer, he happened to see a fly through these glasses, and to his surprise, वो इतना बड़ा दिखा जैसे कि एक lamb हो. He then prepared a toy called a flag lens, which became very popular among children. Galileo, a famous Italian scientist of that time, remarked that it was a big invention. He too made a device with the help of two lenses, and we call it a microscope. Then there are new machines. Many scientists, doctors and engineers are working hard to find out the exact cause of various diseases. And various other machines such as X-ray, ultrasound, CAT, laser, ECG, etc. ये सारे मशीन्स हैं जो डॉक्टर्स को तरह तरह के बीमारियों से लड़ने के लिए और उनके बारे में पता करने के लिए हेल्प करते हैं. कैसे हेल्प करते हैं आइए हम देखते हैं. एक्सरे मशीन ये काफ़ी यूजफुल मशीन है and it can take the pictures of human body, and this machine इसके थ्रू हम फ्रैक्चर्स और इस तरीके के जहाँ पे हमें चोट लगी होती है और अगर कोई बोन टूटा हुआ है, कोई हड्डी टूटी हुई है, कोई फ्रैक्चर है, हम इस मशीन के ज़रिए पता लगा सकते हैं. उसके बाद है लेज़र टेक्नोलॉजी, with the help of which doctors are able to treat patients without surgery. Then there is ultrasound. Again, ये जो बहुत complex body parts होते हैं हमारे body के अंदर, उनमें अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है, कोई डिजीज होता है, वो हमें अल्ट्रासाउंड के थ्रू पता लगता है. देन वी हैव ECG मशीन्स दैट हेल्प द डॉक्टर्स. हार्ट का कंडीशन देखने के लिए, ब्रेन का कंडीशन देखने के लिए ECG मशीन यूज किया जाता है. देन डिस्कवरी ऑफ न्यू मशीन्स. इन अर्लियर टाइम्स people did not know the cause of various diseases. Since they were superstitious, they used to think that the disease was caused because भगवान उनसे नाराज है इसलिए वो बीमार हो रहे हैं. लेकिन जैसे जैसे हमारी नॉलेज बढ़ती गई हमें ये पता चला कि हमारे खाने पीने का तरीका, हमारे रहने सहने का तरीका, इसकी वजह से हमें डिजीज होते हैं, ना कि कोई भगवान हमसे नाराज है. यहाँ पे इस लिस्ट में हम ये देख सकते हैं कि कुछ मेडिसिन जिनको कुछ लोगों ने डिस्कवर किया, जैसे कि मलेरिया, चिकन इन्फेक्शंस एंड वेरियस अदर डिजीजेस. देन we are talking about surgery. Surgery has been practiced in India since ancient times. The surgery is the art of curing disease by removing or repairing a part of the body. It was performed in olden days also. Sushruta and Chakrata were the great surgeons of Indians in ancient times, and today surgery has become more advanced. Now it is carried out with the help of electronic instruments and machines. Then there is cosmetic surgery that helps to cure burn victims and improve their looks. We have sterilization of surgical instrument. Although chloroform reduces the surgical pain, but half of the patients die due to infection of wounds. So Joseph Lister discovered that carbolic acid can be used in operation theater to kill the germs. अब हम आइए देखते हैं डिजीजेस को कैसे प्रिवेंट किया जाता है, वैक्सीनेशन के थ्रू, पैस्चराइजेशन के थ्रू। ये दो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप्स हैं। अब देखते हैं वैक्सीनेशन क्या होता है। Smallpox, a deadly disease, was very common in the 18th century. The vaccine to prevent smallpox was discovered by Dr. Edward Jenner, जो कि एक इंग्लिश डॉक्टर थे। उन्होंने ऑब्जर्व किया कि जो people हैं, they have been infected with cowpox, a disease that gets human from cattle, and these people were not affected by smallpox. To test his theory, Dr. Jenner inculcated a boy with cowpox. The boy suffered from mild cowpox but soon recovered. Later, he inoculated same boy with smallpox. To his delight, the boy showed no signs of the dreaded disease. In this way, Dr. Jenner found protection against smallpox. Later, an anti-smallpox vaccine was developed, and today, smallpox has been almost wiped away from the face of the world. कुछ और डिजीजेस के लिए भी वैक्सीनेशंस तैयार किए गए हैं, जैसे कि ट्यूबरकुलोसिस, कॉलेरा, टेटनस, येलो फीवर, पोलियो एंड टाइफॉइड। Then let us study about pasteurization. Louis Pasteur was a French scientist who discovered that heat can kill germs. He found that if milk is heated for half an hour at a certain temperature and then cooled, the germs in it are killed. This process is known as pasteurization. Pasteurized milk is available today in polypack and bottles. It is free from germs, so it cannot spread any diseases. उसके बाद antiseptic है. Some chemicals are used to kill germs and they are known as antiseptics. More than 150 years ago, Joseph Lister, a British surgeon, discovered that infections could be prevented by using carbolic acid. जो हमारे wounds है उनको हम carbolic acid से wash कर सकते हैं और उससे infection दूर हो जाता है. So antiseptics are used to disinfect wounds and surgical instruments. So what are the points to be remembered in this chapter? Medical science is very advanced these days. The thermometer was invented by Gabriel Daniel Fahrenheit. Stethoscope is used to hear the heartbeat, and a microscope is a very important instrument in the medical sciences. I hope you had a great learning, and I will see you in the next chapter. Thank you.